Hey guys, today another video. I know I've been recording lately, that's why I'm making this vlog.
What are we doing? We're making slime.
I'm doing this.
Right, okay. So, you want it out.
Blue.
Yep, squirt some glue
No.
in there. Yep, I can get this off. Alright,
First time, so.
Right, you might want to take your coat off.
Nah.
One second.
It's a funny
Keep
jacket.
going.
I can't take my coat off.
Alright, that'll do just for now until you do your first lot. Alright, so squirt
I've activity.
about the same amount in yours there.
I've activity.
What?
I've active.
Right. Then you want to take some of this neon orange paint.
I choose that because I'll do in the next video. Team Tiger. Yeah, that's all I'm going to do. This next video will be like 2 seconds after this. Team Buzzer challenge. Spoilers.
Alright, then you want to drizzle a little bit in that, not too much though.
Right.
And then start mixing it together.
Like that.
That'll do for now, yeah.
Right.
If you want to add some colour to yours now.
Now we just mix it.
Yep. Just keep mixing it till all that's combined.
Looks awful.
Yeah, that'll do.
Need some more. Look.
No, that'll do for now. Then when you've mixed all that together, you want to take a pinch, not too much.
Yeah.
A good pinch of that and sprinkle it all in. Yep, and then stir that all together.
Now what?
Okay. Then we take some Airwick freshener and you have to spray it.
Yeah, that's awful.
No, you're not supposed to eat it, Charlotte. Alright, spray. Put loads and spray loads on. Alright, stir it.
Oh, that's awful.
Alright, spray it in
That should
yours
be a
there.
challenge.
Alright, and you'll see it all starting to like stick together.
That should be a challenge, that's awful.
No, don't eat.
It's like cinnamon.
No, it's what you add into cakes and stuff. Right, and then you have to just stir it for ages until it starts like getting really sticky.
Right.
And then you spray more into it.
I'm going to pause the video like that. Okay, 2 minutes. Okay. Right, I'm back. Still mixing.
Alright, keep mixing.
Looks awful.
Dale's getting like a slimy consistency in these.
I'm not. I'm just getting PDAs with what's so much.
Right, stir it all together.
I'm going to make 3 videos today, maybe. Definitely 2. I don't know about 3. If I do 3, the last one will be the best.
Alright, don't give it a good stir for you.
Yeah. I'm too lazy to do it, that's why. How can yours is turning no sloppy? Mine's just
Put more of that in.
I just have I've just sprayed more, look, you see now it's all like binding together.
like that.
It's getting all sticky now.
Not
You-
putting glitter.
No, you don't have to. So give it a good stir, and then whenever it starts getting like combining together, they'll give it another squirt of that.
That's amazing.
Not forget what else.
Yeah. Well, I just meant the best one. Even though it's got glitter in it, so it's not the best. Because the glitter goes all over. It's doing so much. Right. So, this is Dale's. Probably can't even see it. But it looks slimy now. Focused.
Like,
Right? That's Dale's, but turning into slime. Well, this is mine.
you have to keep stirring it.
It's just not working. And then this is Lila's. Oh, fuck. Squish it. Oh, it's got glitter, I don't like it. I don't know what we do. Put beady eyes in.
Look, it's starting to do it now.
Yeah, I have not been recording lately, so I just record this video out of nowhere. I'm doing another in like 2 seconds. Me and Blues are challenge. Spoilers. Sorry. God. Is it working now? It's fine.
Yeah, it needs to be mixed a lot better, so put it back in bowl. I've took that out too early.
Yeah. That's pretty cool. No, I'm not. I'm doing one. I'm not. I'm a ghost. You have no idea.
This one's...
Dale's is turning really good. Mine's just...
Oh, Dale's is turning into it. What are you adding into yours?
Look at that. Look at that.
I'll just keep adding more into it.
It's fine.
It is, but it's all like stuck to it.
This is cold. Really, it's cold. Yeah, just feel that. Oh, no.
Oh, don't get it on your furniture and stuff.
It's cold. You can feel that. Probably can't.
It looks slime.
Wow.
Just start like mixing it all together with your hands now. Yeah, I've add this to it.
There's just a little creep in the corner just making faces.
Charlie Booth and how
Isn't
long
it?
will the captain
Little creepy corner making
for the
faces.
afternoon? This is James, hello. You've ever looked at Facebook and thought to yourself,
This is to cut
Those will
slime.
probably be fine to like mix together with your hands. I think they are now.
I've just had one of those moments.
Yeah, there's
Just
still.
like mould it.
Facebook, who's like a friend of a friend.
Yeah, there you go. You've made your own slime, Tyler.
Picture up and
That's how to make slime.
just got my first
Watch that
real
again.
Christmas tree. Didn't
You
realise
need slime.
it'd need a
You
stand.
didn't think got no money.
Now going back to the shops.
Just do what?
Why?
Or do what she
How
does.
can you
I have
not
no
know
idea.
that a real Christmas tree would need a stand?
Yeah, it's actually slime. Look.
Was going through
It's
this
not
head.
You've got proper slime now.
It's not flexible, right?
Into,
But
like, I don't know,
But it is,
sitting in his
but it
living
is.
room
I think I put a little bit too much
just
that
walk the bottom
in.
I don't know. Maybe it is. Now though, he's going back to the shops. Learning slowly but surely. Liam Payne, bedroom floor.
So yeah, that's the slime video. Slime slash how
Oh,
to
there
make
we
a
go,
slime
look at
thing.
that. That's Dale's. Proper slime.
Can I have that?
That's Dale's.
Right, put in comments.
Yeah.
Put in comments hashtag creep in the corner. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Press that for me.
Yeah.
See you in the next one. Bye.